Hey, David.
Yeah.
So apparently there's an abandoned salvage yard just a few miles away from my house. I'm gonna go take a look at it. You wanna go with me?
Yeah. Let's go.
All right, let's go. All right, guys. So we are at a salvage yard, and the salvage yard's trying to get rid of all the cars. So we're gonna look around and see if maybe we can find a daily dad, commuter, daily driver. Maybe. We'll see what we find. So we found an MG. I've been looking around in the body to see maybe if I could use some of the parts. And I don't see anything that I need, but it's pretty cool to see another MG out here. It's sad to see it in this condition, but I love MGs. Look inside it. Yeah, that's a giant snake skin right there. That's awesome. Yeah, this is an old mail truck. It honestly doesn't look in too bad a shape. The wiring harness is all there. Hey, tires? Go get tires over there.
You just broke it.
I mean, put them back on. They're probably rotted.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of scratches. You know, it's ready to drive in what, 3 days? You think, David?
No.
Not 3 days?
Maybe 2.
Maybe 2? Yeah, we've probably done it in 2. Yeah, I say this is it. So, the wife has been wanting a Mustang. She loves Mustangs. And we found her the one. Hey, little boy, you want some candy?
Stop messing around, dude. Let's go. Come on.
Dude, this is what all the cool guys have.
Whatever.
Right here. I say we come back and ask him if we can take this and customize and put it in our shop.
And this is the worst truck in the lot. Pretty much.
So me and my wife went baby shopping today for our upcoming expected child. And, you know, we were looking for strollers and car seats. So I think I found just the one. So I think I'm gonna load. I mean, just dust it right off. Yeah, that's going in the truck. Hey guys, so today we are going to be taking out the carburetor and switching it out for a new one. Stephen Nolan, my neighbor over here, is going to help us do that. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. guys, what you can see what we're doing here is we're cleaning up the intake because we have the carburetor off, so why not clean it up, make it look pretty. And also we're trying to clean it up because these screws were, the bolts were a pain in the butt to get off. So we're trying to clean it up with some carb cleaner is what we're doing. And it's coming right off, and I'm using this little brush. Where'd it go? Woo! So we use this brush on the other video in the mini chopper. So I don't know if it'll focus, but it really helped up with the cleaning of the paint getting off of that. So I thought, why not help get in the grooves of the letters and the numbers that we have here and there. Guys, we were waiting on a part to come in the mail, and we decided to work on the MG without it coming in, but it just came in as we were working on it, so that's awesome.
Later.
So that bracket is not fitting in correctly, so we need to drill it bigger.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Bigger hole, so we can fit that bracket on there. Steven created this bracket himself. He made it. Because on our last, was it because the idle wasn't on the last one?
Well, no, there wasn't a. It was. Should have shown the old one. That's what we were doing before. Was this what?
Yeah, that
was working.
Wasn't. So this carburetor didn't have an idle adjustment.
Right.
This one does, and so Steven created this custom bracket.
It didn't even have a spot for an idle adjustment. So
yeah, it didn't make sense.
So.
But. Yeah, so we just need to screw in, or make the holes a little bit bigger. So that's what we're going to do right now.
The sacrificial drill board.
Alright, let's see if it works.
We're fine. Get a little bit of adjustment to it.
Okay. Alright guys, so we hit a snag in the carburetor. The throttle was hitting the intake, and so we need a spacer in between, about a 1/4 inch spacer to be able to raise up the carburetor just a little bit. And so I've ordered that, and it's on its way. So we're gonna have to pause on the carburetor, but we're gonna go look at the Yamaha YG1 and take out that carburetor and see what's wrong with that, because gas started leaking in that. I had a big gas leak, so we need to look at that. Guys, so as we were cleaning up the carburetor for the Yamaha YG1, I took apart the carburetor, took it out, cleaned it with carb cleaner and the jets, and put it back together, took it for a spin, and it was still leaking gas. And is leaking all over the exhaust. Not good. So shut the gas off, took out the carburetor again, and very gently took the bowl off, but the gasket broke. I don't think the gasket's ever been replaced. So I have to order a rebuild kit, and I think this should fix the issue. I think what's happening is the gas is there's too much gas coming into the bowl, and it's just flooding out. So it's not necessarily a problem with the carburetor. I think that there needs to be an adjustment to the float, possibly. So I'm gonna make that adjustment once we get it in, but I'll be sure to record it once it gets in. We're gonna make that adjustment. Okay, so we're starting a new series where we trade a Hot Wheels for a real car. We're here at Dollar General right now, trying to pick out our Hot Wheels, and we'll see what we can get for it. I don't know. Looks like a Volkswagen right there. Yeah, that's a Volkswagen Beetle. What is Range Rover Class? We're gonna go with this. All right, guys. So we went to the graveyard for cars, the junkyard, and the owner showed up at the end, and we got to talk with him. And he's just parting out with all the cars, trying to get rid of them. He's actually crushing a lot of the cars. So he might sell us one, and so we're gonna go back, look at them again, see what we really think is gonna be good for the channel. And if you have any preference, let us know what you think. So we don't have a preference on what car that we like exactly, so let us know what you think. Guys, I'm not doing that again. That was disgusting. That was bad. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Thank you. So today we worked on the Yamaha YG1 and the MG. So both of them we're working on the carburetors. So the MG, we're waiting on a spacer to come in the mail to put the new carburetor on. And we're also on the Yamaha YG1, we're rebuilding the carburetor on it. It's got a bad gas leak. Not sure what's wrong. We're gonna see if this fixes the issue. We're gonna adjust the float, see if that fixes it. So, and then we got to go to explore a graveyard for classic cars. We're gonna find a Daily Dad car. I guarantee you. I'm not sure if it's there. It might be at another place in nearby Shawnee. We know a place. We're trying to get contact with the owner, see if we can go look on their property, see if we can find a car there. But trust me, a Daily Dad car is coming. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, tell us what you think. Thanks for watching The Daily Dad.